So a lot of you guys are probably wondering, well, what's going to happen when all this hair is flying everywhere because of the clippers? So what do I wear? Do I wear a cape like this? Because I don't want to get hair all over my clothes, so it might be a better idea to just wear a cape, right? But here's the problem, and this is why I don't recommend you guys utilize a cape when you're cutting your own hair. When you're cutting other people's hair, yes, you need to. But when you're cutting your own hair, no. And there's a few reasons why. The first thing that I can think of is because, boy, this thing is ridiculously big and it limits, here's that key word, my mobility, right? It limits that free range of motion, and it's very annoying. This thing can get caught and accidentally whack my mirror by accident, and then every 5 seconds I have to readjust my mirror because my mobility is being infringed by this dress that I have to wear, right? This thing it's overkill. That's really what it is, right? What's the solution, all right? Not only that, hold on. Before I even say the solution, imagine how hot. This is why barbershops, when you walk into them, they're cold, all right? That's why I got the AC blasting right now in my house, because I need it to be cold when I'm wearing this thing which is so big and heavy, and I feel hot underneath here. And the last thing you want to do when you're cutting your own hair is be hot when you're cutting your hair, because why? You lose focus, right? You start getting tired, you start getting lethargic, and you're like, oh, I don't have the energy to cut my hair anymore. I don't want to do this. So, again, this goes back to when I said you want to really limit all of these micro things that I'm telling you within this section are so important. All of these micro things, right? The temperature, you don't want to be hot. The mobility, all of these micro things that you might want to, brush off, say, Alex, that's not important. Trust me, when you're cutting your own hair, they're important. You want to maintain as much energy through the self haircut as possible, because yeah, it can get tiring depending on the type of haircut you're giving yourself. So you want to keep all of that energy from the food, from the sleep, from the everything. You want to keep that within you, and you don't want it being stripped away from you more than it needs to be by being hot and sweaty, and it limits your mobility, so now you got to focus more, move this out the way, whatever. So here's the solution, you guys. Let me get this hot cape off of me. This thing is, oh my gosh, it feels so much better. Whew. Okay, you ready? Here's the solution. Go into your closet and pick an old t-shirt that you rarely ever wear, and now that t-shirt is your dedicated self-haircut t-shirt. Boom, done, finito. No more cape. You don't need the cape. It's ridiculous. It's overkill. So this is what I do. I even have my own self-haircut shirt that I utilize. There's a whole dresser within my closet that's just self-haircut shirts. Just so I can, of course, they're for the videos on social media, whatnot. I need different colors, but dedicated shirt. You need one or two dedicated t-shirts that you don't wear anymore for strictly self-haircuts. And that's it. When you're done, you get your brush, you brush everything off your neck, you take off your shirt, and you whack it around, you shake it, maybe, you stretch it out, and you smack the hairs off where the collar is, and then that's it. Throw it in the hamper, and you wash it. And that's it. Make sure that there's no hair on the shirt before you put it in the washer. Otherwise, you're going to get hair all over the other clothes. But for the most part, I never had that issue. Really, never had that issue. Get your neck duster or this brush and just boom. All right? Smack all the hairs off. Get all the hairs off your shirt, right? Push it onto the vanity, of course, not the floor. Push it onto the vanity. So just go like this. You guys have probably already seen me just brush. I'm always brushing in between guidelines, or whenever I'm using the clipper, in between each guideline or in between each fading step, always brushing my shirt. Always brushing in between, so that I make sure that cleanup is easier and I'm pushing all the hair here, and none of the hair accidentally falls on the floor, okay? So that's how I do it. You don't need a cape, you guys. You don't need the cape. These things will only infringe your ability to cut your own hair. It'll just make it harder for you. So get yourself a dedicated t-shirt, something just like this, an old t-shirt, and you'll be good to go to cut your own hair.